Welcome back everybody to the RV Dynasty YouTube page. Seth here. Today we're taking a look at a 2023 Cedar Creek Experience. This is the 3425 RL floor plan. So you're going to have a king bed slide up front and a kitchen slide and a entertainment slide. Like I said, again, this is the Cedar Creek Experience, so it's a new floor plan, new line that they're running. And this trailer is going to be 39 feet in length with a total gross vehicle weight of 16,000. Cargo weight right around about 4.5, and hitch weight at 2,000 pounds.